The phone information in the description is in English and Hindi. Motorola RAZR 5G smartphone was launched on the 9th of September 2020. The phone comes with a 6.20-inch touchscreen primary display with a resolution of 2142 by 876 pixels in an aspect ratio of 21:9. It also features a 2.70-inch touchscreen as its second display, with a resolution of 800 by 600 pixels in an aspect ratio of 4:3. Motorola RAZR 5G is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor. It comes with 8 GB of RAM. The Motorola RAZR 5G runs Android 10 and is powered by a 2800 mAh battery. The Motorola RAZR 5G supports proprietary fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Motorola RAZR 5G on the rear packs a 48-megapixel camera with an f1.7 aperture and a pixel size of 1.6 micron. The rear camera setup has autofocus, sports a 20-megapixel camera on the front for selfies, with an f2.2 aperture and a pixel size of 1.6 micron. The Motorola RAZR 5G runs MyUX based on Android 10 and packs 256 GB of inbuilt storage. The Motorola RAZR 5G is a dual-SIM GSM smartphone that accepts nano SIM and eSIM card. The Motorola RAZR 5G measures 169.20 by 72.60 by 7.90 mm height, x width, x thickness, and weighs 192.00 grams. It was launched in polished graphite color. It bears a metal body. Connectivity options on the Motorola RAZR 5G include Wi-Fi 802.11a per gram, NAC, GPS, Bluetooth V5.00, NFC, USB Type-C, 3G and 4G. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, compass, magnetometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor. As of the 14th of October 2020, Motorola RAZR 5G price in India starts at 124,999 rupees. Like and share this video and subscribe to our channel.